Hello everyone and welcome back to our Java mini class. In this lesson we're going to take a look at the traditional first program in any programming language, Hello World. So let's go ahead and take a look at Hello World in Java. Writing a Hello World program is a classic first step in learning Java. It introduces you to the basic structure and syntax of the language. This lesson will help you create a Java program that prints Hello World to the console, familiarizing you with writing, compiling, and running Java code. A basic Java program consists of several components. It starts with a class definition, which serves as a blueprint for objects. All code resides within a class, and the class name must match the file name. The main method is the entry point of any Java application where programs begin execution. Its signature is always the same, and the example signature is included here at the top of the slide. Inside the main method, you'll write statements that define the program's behavior, for example, printing Hello World to the console. So here's our code for Hello World. So inside our class definition, then we have our entry point, the main method, and then we have our system.out.println, which is printing out to the console the message inside the double quotes, Hello World. Let's look at a breakdown of the code. First, there's the class declaration, the declaration of a public class named Hello World in Java. The class name must match its file name, and it serves as a container for the program's code. The main method is the entry point for any Java application. It is public, static, and void, meaning it can be accessed from the outside the class, belongs to the class itself, and does not return any value. The string args parameters allows the program to accept command line arguments. The statement systemout.println hello world prints the string to the console. System.out is a standard output stream, and the println method prints a line of text followed by a new line character. Closing braces in the code denote the end of the main method and the Hello World class. Note that the beginning and ending curly braces have to match within a Java program. That's one of the more difficult things to get used to in programming in Java is balancing the curly braces. So the next step is to save the code in a file named helloworld.java, ensuring the file name matches the class name, including the capitalization, making sure that it's case sensitive. To compile the code, open a terminal, navigate to the directory with helloworld.java, and compile using javac, G-A-V-A-C, followed by the file name helloworld.java. If there are no errors, a bytecode file name helloworld.class will be generated. After compiling, run the program using the command java, followed by a space, and then the name of the class file, hello world. You should see the output, hello world. In summary, the Hello World program is a fundamental exercise for beginners in Java. It introduces the basic structure, including class definitions, the main method, and printing to the console. Understanding the structure is crucial for writing complex program. Successfully writing, compiling, and running this program marks the first step in Java programming, paving the way for more advanced topics and projects. Well, that's it for this lesson. Thank you so much. I hope it's given you a good idea of how to compile and write your first program, and there's a lab exercise to match this to help get you started. That's it for this lesson. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.